I'm going to make some jerk ribs in the oven. The ingredients are kind of long, and in the description will be the list and the amounts. I'm going to use garlic, granulated garlic, soy sauce, dark rum, that's optional, chili powder, regular chili powder, chipotle chili powder, thyme, allspice, black pepper, cinnamon, paprika, that's smoked paprika, garlic, serrano, Scotch bonnet, sugar, brown sugar, a little bit of lime, and green onions, and some salt, and some ribs, and let's get started. I'm going to use a food processor, and I have my 4 cloves of garlic, 4 Scotch bonnets, and the 1 Serrano chili seeded. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. Give this a quick mix. Add the spring green onion. Give this a mix. I'm going to add all the spices, which will be listed in the description under the video, and the brown sugar, soy sauce, 1/4 cup. Give this a mix, and I'm wiping down the sides. Put the lid back on with a 1/4 cup of the dark rum. Myers rum is the best in my opinion. And let's check it. It's pretty wet. I'm going to add just a little bit. This is the juice of a lime mixed with water. I have a 1/4 cup here. I'm going to add just a couple tablespoons. Half of it. Mix this and our rub is ready. Anytime I use a sheet pan or aluminum foil, it makes this camera look really dark. It makes it look dark, and I apologize for that. I'm going to add my ribs to the sheet pan, and I'm going to salt them a little bit, lightly, with some salt, not too much. I don't like a lot of salt on here. And you can use pepper too, but I don't see why it's necessary. I also added a teaspoon of liquid smoke to this wet rub. I forgot about that, so I just did it off camera. I apologize. And I did take the membrane off the ribs. That's a matter of choice. I prefer it off. I prefer taking it off, but if you fixed ribs and you didn't take the membrane off, it certainly would be, I would certainly eat them anyway. So I'm going to use about half or more of the rub. The rub is enough for two baby back ribs. I'm using the St. Louis cut. I'm going to wrap these tightly in some more foil. I have it double wrapped, and it goes in my 300-degree oven. The ribs have been in the 300-degree oven for an hour and a half. Now I've taken them out of the foil, and I'm going to put them in the oven for another hour and a half, just uncovered like this. And I'm going to put a little more salt on them because I only salted that one side. So just a little bit on there. And back into the oven. Here they are out of the oven. They baked for another hour and a half. And then I let them rest here for a little over 10 minutes and then cut them into pieces. And next we'll try them. You know, you would think these would be really, really spicy, but they're not. Just a little spicy. Kind of around medium heat. And they're so tender and good. Thank you. I hope you try them. Thank you so much for watching.